afternoon mga bossing, good evening. Sorry na late tayo. Okay. Yung malapit, punta na. Yung malayo, huwag muna. Puntahan ko na lang kayo susunod. Good luck.
That keeps on traveling, but then it ties us back together.
Good luck.
God, finally learned to love you. No one will know.
Yeah. Wala kang kaagaw. Ang pangalan mo?
Hindi po.
Okay, congrats. Ayos. Thank you.